Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to disable Instagram profile zoom in. Now right this one, we're gonna open our Instagram account or Instagram application. Now you can use your dummy Google account first, and once you're here, I want you to go to your profile. Once you're on your profile, go to the three lines right there, click on it and look for the one that says account privacy. Should be this one right here. So what we wanna do is, you need to look for this method. Allow public photos and videos to appear in search and results. So make sure this is turned off and you can private your account right there. So once you private your account, no one can zoom in on your profile photo anymore. Now for example, you're not seeing this option right there. What you can do is go to the App Store or Google Play if you're using an Android of course, but the method what I'm doing right now is perfectly the same. Now I'm gonna simply type in Instagram here. So what I'm doing is I'm making sure it is up to date. As you can see right there, mine is gonna be pending due to an update. So for that being said, update this one and just repeat the process I've showed earlier and you'll be good to go. And basically that's it. And thank you so much for watching.